In one of our modules for university, it's called Aircraft Design. We have a similar format to the IMechE competition setup, so design, build, fly a plane. So it kind of went hand in hand with the project and the competition. In class, we were set up into our teams, and from there we design, build and fly our plane.
Hi, my name is Jack. I'm with the University of Sheffield and Project Hex. So it's a Hex copter that we're running. So you get 6 engines, which gives you a little bit of redundancy. It's capable of completely autonomous flight or pseudo-autonomous if you want to kind of do the takeoff and landing yourself. We're really enjoying the IMechE UAS challenge.
My name is Dr. Bilal. I am from GHSFR University. This is our second outing outside of Pakistan. The organizers were very supportive. The other teams were very supportive. We did not manage to bring all of our tools. We were able to borrow epoxies and tools and whatnot from all of the other teams. We're really thankful to be here. Next time, we hope to win this.